Massive showdown by the BRS party here regarding the bus fare hike that has been done by the Congress government recently. We are joined by BRS leader Talasani Sai. Karu, what do you have to say about this particular protest?
It is a shameful act which happened today. Mr. Rahul Gandhi always says Mohabbat ka dukan, but today you were able to see emergency situation near Bus Bhavan right from morning. First they said house arrest, you are not allowed to go to the Bus Bhavan and give representation. Secondly, they said you are allowed. After we reached RTC Crossroad, you have seen the emergency situation, they have created the havoc. We were only 15 people, including our working president and 7 MLAs, just wanted to give a representation to the Bus Bhavan, saying that it is a not good practice. You have given 420 hamis, promises, false promises, out of which you tell only free scheme to the women is the best scheme we have implemented, which is a false again today, which we can see because they have hiked the prices. They have said in a 1 year review that the RTC corporation has turned down from losses to profits. So people were expecting bonuses, the employees were expecting bonuses. Now, look how low the government thinks. Because it is Dasara and Diwali time, because it is festival time, they know that people will travel to their home villages during these festivals. They want to hike the charges now, collect from them and give back to the same people. Such low thinking government is a shameful thing which happened to Telangana, especially Hyderabad. From morning we have seen only circus. And the crime rate has increased multiple folds. Police are not in that duty. Police are in stopping the press people, stopping the representation politicians. What will we do? Our intention was to come, go straight to the Bus Bhavan. We will give you a representation saying that it is not a good practice. During the festivals, you are not allowed to hike the prices. Please cut down your tariffs, whatever you are trying to increase. We shouldn't do that in democracy. Is this Mohabbat ka dukan what Rahul Gandhi speaks about? This is what he mentions. Give him a visual of this. What is happening in the state where Congress is ruling? It is a false drama practices what they do always. They never stand on their word. All the 420 promises are trash and false. Have you seen a scooty anywhere given by the government? Have you seen gold anywhere given by the government? Have you seen 4,000 anybody counting? Have you seen 2,500 anyone putting in the bank? All promises are false. They were implementing only one. That was free scheme of bus. That also today they break down. They want to increase the tariffs to men. What is the intention? You said it is going in profits because government is paying all the tariffs for the women. How come you want to increase the tariffs to the men and give the same to the women? It is very wrong. You are putting the pocket hand in both. See, in the family, a husband and wife travels. If you increase to the husband, it is as much as be the wife's ticket. It is very wrong. Such low thinking is not good, especially during the festivals.
Well, what is the demand from the BRS party, Jaisimha?
See, clearly we demand to roll back the decision taken by Congress party to increase the bus fares. See, one thing what you need to understand is BRS party clearly gave a call yesterday that we peacefully are going to the bus Bhavan to give a representation to MD, and the call has been given by working president KTR Garu. So on his call, all the city MLAs, their program was to just get into the bus, directly come here to the bus Bhavan and give the representation. I don't know what made the police to create so much of ruckus, and from morning all the leaders in the city have been put under house arrest, and they created a curfew like situation. Barricades have been placed. Hundreds of police personnel have been deployed here. So I don't know what exactly is happening in Telangana. One thing what we exactly want to say is Revanth Reddy Congress party has made n number of promises, particularly about the 6 guarantees or the 420 hamis what they gave, and this is nothing but cheating the public after coming back into power. So
What is your demand at this point?
Our demand is to roll back the decision taken by Congress and cut down the prices which has been increased. So one side he says that the fare has been free for the women passengers, and at the same time he has been collecting double charges from the male passengers. So I don't know what kind of justice that is being delivered.
Well, thank you for speaking with us. So this was BRS leader Jaisimha Garu. Right, as you can see, Around me is a heavy police deployment right beside me near the Bus Bhavan, where the TGS RTC Vice Chairman and MD Nagi Reddy's office is here, where representation by the BRS Working President KTR Garva has given to roll back the hike that has been done by the Congress government is what they are demanding.